Introducing DC Lubricants Emissions Detox Pro Petrol. This is a powerful all-in-one product. It is compatible with all petrol engines, including GDI. So you no longer need to buy separate products for GDI and non-GDI vehicles. We have a powerful fuel system, clean air in here. We have corrosion inhibitors. We have octane booster in here. So you can use it for your high performance cars. You can use it on their annual service. It is also a really, really fast acting, powerful pre-emissions treatment. So for those low mileage vehicles that are struggling with the emissions test, this is your product. So one can does multiple jobs and no need for separate products for current and older vehicles. So all in one, less product to stock on the shelf. So there you go. DCL, trusted by the experts, trusted by the DPF Doctor.